Welcome to the world of private label of pocket air freshener manufacturing. Our air freshener factory is a hub of innovation, where we create these amazing products. Process for air freshener manufacturing. 1. Selection of fragrance. 2. Selection of raw material mixture. 3. RM and perfume quality testing. 4. Testing and stability tests for performance and longevity. 5. Packaging material selection. 6. Design of packaging material. 7. Sourcing and printing of packaging material. 8. Production of air freshener. 9. Quality assurance and quality control of finished goods. 10. Finished goods quality report. 11. Dispatch along with certificate of analysis. Our products are designed to be effective diffusers of fragrance, lightweight, long-lasting, and cost-effective, making them a popular choice across brands. The fragrances that we offer: citrus, lavender, jasmine, rose, daffodil, lemongrass, sea breeze, and many more. Our team of experts is committed to ensuring our products' quality and safety. Air pockets are used in a wide range of applications, including rooms, drawing rooms, cars, bathrooms, and offices. For more information, contact us at 807-646-0687 or email us. So what are you waiting for?